dear ones, welcome to the flight to Dubai. In Dubai we will change the airplane to Colombo, Sri Lanka. Come with me and enjoy this amazing journey. We have finally landed in Colombo, so come with me and enjoy our first day in Sri Lanka. Okay. Thank you. Yay. We have flowers. Bon appetit! Try the food together. So this should be fish. So delicious. And here is the Indian Ocean. Enjoy. This is the bathroom. And here is the bedroom, and here is the ocean. I can't open it, but you can see the Indian Ocean, and this is the beach. Welcome to Colombo, welcome to Sri Lanka, welcome to Panadura. So here is the beach behind me and the Indian Ocean. You can see today it's very windy. We have red flag here, but still it's very nice and windy and nice, and the air is fantastic. So I have went out from the hotel and I'm going to the market. I want to look for something to buy. It's a nice weather, as you can see. So it's lovely. You can see it. Yeah. Just have finished shopping. Yay! Here I will show you. I've got a very pretty dress. Yes. See you later. got some water. You can see it over here. I've got a beautiful dress, if you can see it. And now I'm heading to the hotel. You can see the crazy traffic. And when you walk, it's really hard. You should look all the ways, and the buses are driving really fast, so you should be careful. And yeah, let's see what Sri Lanka has for us. Like, the people are really kind and nice, and yeah, it's very nice hotel. Some nice jewelry, and we bought this. So this is for losing weight, right?
Yes,
Okay.
And
One cup
cleaning.
per day, and clearing stomach.
Yes.
Okay, and pretty saris.
You can follow it. Saris.
Yay! Very nice.
Така че те му кажат нещо друго. Много пъти ще ви го повтарят, синьото е увереност. Жълтото е търпение. Червеното е мъдрост. Знаете ли, добре, айде пак. Увереност, търпение, червеното е мъдрост, бялото е чистота. Който знае, моля да не казва. Оранжевото какво е? Моля? Креативност, добре. Други идеи? Моля? Приятелство. Окей, други идеи. Давайте. Добрина. Какво казвате? Нещо различно казвате. Непривързаност. Много я.
But now they go.
Wow, so big. So this is dal, and we will have some veggies. This is Russian salad and egg, cheese, carrot. Bon appetit. So we will get some cheese. Very delicious. Third, bon appetit. Finish with the workshop and take a look at the ocean.